이런 느낌 Do it like I do 원하는 대로 나처럼 자유롭게 또 상상해왔던 모든 것을 다 느껴봐.
What's up guys, it's Eddie and today we're going to be checking out Nature for the first time. I don't know anything about them, so we're going into this with an empty head, I guess. We're going to be checking out OOPSIE My Bad and Girls, which is their latest comeback, I believe. Before we start, if you could leave a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it. And if you would like to see more from me, consider subscribing. I would appreciate that too. Alright, let's jump right into it. This is OOPSIE My Bad. Ooh, right off the bat.
One-way music. Diamond saw me shining. 빛이 나지. Oopsie daisy. 쭉 올라가는 가.
Wait, she looks familiar. Where have I seen her?
지금 남배새. Oopsie daisy.
Is she the host of a show? I swear I've seen her before. I don't know where, I can't remember. I like this beat. Ooh, this build up, this build up. She went like this to the beat. That was fine. Dun, dun. Okay, I like this group already. I love this sound, like this EDM futuristic. I love it. Ooh. Rapper. I swear I've seen her before. I love that. This is a bop. Who produced this song? Oh my god. I heard that note. Ooh. How many members? 338. Wait, can I count? 3, yeah, 8. Okay. Yo. Okay. This is playlist worthy. Oopsie, my bad. Oh, this is scary. What's going on? Nature world. Okay. Alright guys, now we're gonna be checking out Girls. The music video. Girls. But there's only 6 members now? What happened? I heard this music video got delayed because it was too scary, I guess, to upload, something like that. Oh my god, this is scary. Like a scary movie. Like that. There's only 6 members now. What happened? Ooh, I like her voice. Ooh. I like that. Oh god, this beat! This beat! Oh my god, I love it. Ooh, that's cool. Flower bed. Dude, this beat, her voice. They fit so well together. Dude, don't touch that. It's so scary. Oh, is that a bird? Ooh. This is so scary, but so good. I love that. Oh my god. Ooh. I wish it had lyrics so I could understand, but I understand that dance break. Oh. Yo. Are they bouncing to the beat? Don't do it to me. Ooh, who produced this song? That was scary. Chilly, chilly. That was scary. Guys, I wasn't expecting those songs to be so good. The MVs were really scary and creepy, but the songs were so good. I don't know if you guys know, but that EDM futuristic house music type of sound is my favorite thing. I said this in one of my other reactions, but all I need is a song to have a good drop for me to enjoy it. That's all I need. Well, those two songs are getting added to the playlist, and I'm really shocked I didn't hear about Nature till now. But I do remember one of the members. She was the MC on a show I used to watch. I can't think of the name right now, but I do remember her face. Alright guys, tell me more about Nature in the comments. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.